Oh, what we got in here? Okay. We got 3 shirts. Oh, I'm excited. Okay. First up, let's open this one. Everybody thank Purple for getting these off my throne wish list. Oh, but the quality is so much better than I was expecting. Are you ready? Okay, pull up. He's in the tank one. Oh yeah, this is a good size. What size is this one? Okay, this is the 2XL I got because I wanted it to be oversized. Cute. I'll do a try on after I open them all. Okay. And now we're doing Capybara number 2. Which one's this? Okay, this is the 3XL. I kind of wanted to see what the different shirt sizes were like, so I know for like any future orders which one I want. This is bigger than the last one. It says, I love my dog so much. Dude, it's perfect. It's such a perfect size. Like I was worried that this picture was gonna be really small in a 3X, because you know sometimes you buy a 3X shirt and the pictures are like the same size it would be on like a small shirt. The fashion icon. I love it. Alright. And the last one. Ooh, let's see. Oh yeah. Which size did I go with this one? Oh, thank God. I went for a 3XL on this one too. I think the 3XLs are my favorite size for these. We're all dogs and God's hot car. Alright, I'm gonna do a BRB and I'm gonna change it to one of these shirts and I'm gonna try it on, okay? You ready? What do we think? Good night, Holly. Have good sleep, good dreams. Thank you for the lurk. It's so comfortable. It's the perfect material. What the fuck? It's so much more lightweight than I thought. It's like such a nice cotton. You know how like sometimes you buy those cotton shirts that are like really thick and like gross? Like usually like Redbubble shirts come like that. This is so lightweight and design is, this is not sponsored by the way, but the design is like the perfect size. Too glam to give a damn. For extra attention, yeah. Alright, should we try on the next ones? We're gonna try on the next ones. Alright. What do you think of this one? Dude, I am so in love with them. I love my dog so much. You dance like a 12-year-old who just had soda for the first time. I have only had a NOS and a Dr. Pepper today, so that makes sense. Alright, here's the last one. I need to flip the camera, hold on. Now you can read it. It says, "We're all dogs in God's hot car." This is so good. I love them so much. Thank you so much, Purple. He also got me the corn dog one. The corn dog one is so fucking cursed. I'm so excited to get it. A bikini change. I would wear these in the pool. That's why. $10 for the bits. If you keep the cans down, you just want to see my dog. I kind of want to do it too. I've been looking at it all day.
Which means we're going to need money! And lots of it!
Money, 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 motherfucker. Money on my motherfucking mind. Cut 5 haircuts at the same time. Get all these fucking bands. I was 7 years old, on God, I knew I was the man. Shit dropped at school, I ain't never